Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Steven Sorer here at the Source of Health in Scottsdale, Arizona, answering some questions today about what is PRP. Platelet-rich plasma, that's what PRP stands for. It is the solution for people's back pain, joint pain. It's amazing. So what is it and how does it work? What are we doing? So I have with me, I call him Tiny Tim. So this is a model of your spine, and what happens with the body as we're in bad posture or if we get an injury is that this injury has a very difficult time healing. Now we're not talking about the muscles themselves, we're talking about, and we're not talking about the bones, we're talking about what's going on here in this white structure. These are called ligaments, and ligaments are what hold the body together. And there's one very special ligament that I'm going to talk to you about here in a moment. This is called the iliolumbar ligament. So think of your body as a ship. And as the ship is sailing, it's rocking and rolling in the ocean, right? So we have this boat and it's made of wood. This wood is the mast, right? This is the spine. And the spine is held together, the mast, with ropes, pulleys. So that's what the ligaments and tendons are. And then the sails of the ship, that's the muscles. So if a rope gets torn or frayed, that mast of the ship is going to bend, it's going to bow, right? So that makes the bones go out of place, and that could put pressure on your disc, and that can cause pain or a bulging disc. Here's a little example. Hope you can all see that little red. That's a bulging or a herniated disc. So we want to prevent that, right? But what if you already have one? What do you do about it? Well, you go to the chiropractor and you get your spine adjusted so the bones go back in place and you get temporary relief. You go to the massage therapist, they work on the muscles that are in spasm because they're holding on so tight, and you get some pain relief. You go to acupuncture and help the flow of all the energy move throughout the body, and it's great for pain relief again. What we haven't really embarked upon is how to actually get these ropes, the ligaments, to heal and regenerate. One of the difficulties in doing so is because the ligaments and the tendons themselves have a very poor blood supply, just about 20%. So once they grow, then that blood vessels, they regress, they go away. So what we want to do is start to regenerate them, and that's where the PRP comes in handy. Platelet-rich plasma. What is it and how do we do it? So we take a blood draw, and when we take this blood draw, we spin it down, process it to remove the platelets out of your bloodstream. Those platelets are then injected back into that injured site, onto the ligament, right along the bone, very safe. And what it does is amazing. It releases growth factors, growth hormones that tell the cells in that body to grow, to proliferate, and to build up more connective tissue. The connective tissue in our body is called collagen, and it is what everyone's talking about. This is the solution to back pain. This is the solution to joint pain. Instead of getting a cortisone shot, instead of getting surgery, why not heal? Why not regenerate your body? Remember, the solution is simple. PRP. It's worth a shot.